Good morning, and Chick-fil-A breakfast is here. And welcome back to another vlog. So actually Tanya was craving for a Chick-fil-A breakfast and she didn't want to have a heavy bun. Marvel, he's too excited for his breakfast too. He stepped on her.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna pick our breakfast. It just got delivered while Tanya is giving Marvel his breakfast. It's nice and hot, and look at the weather outside. It is super nice. Chicken mini honey CFA sauce. Anya is talking to mom, and let me open this. Only if I can with my one hand. Wait. Alright, we got some ketchup and sauces, and we got a Chick-fil-A sauce, that's our favorite. Got this guy, and we got a mini box.
मैंने जो भी है और छुट्टी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहेंगे दिल्ली जाके वीजा के लिए ऑनलाइन में अप्लाई कर लियो की छुट्टी होती है तो वो छुट्टी हम 3 दिन की जो है वो ऐड कर 10 या 11 को चले 12 तक पहुंच जाए तुम्हारी एनिवर्सरी से पहले और उधर 8, 7, 8 तारीख को चलते हैं 3 दिन पेरिस घूम के यहाँ 10, 11 तक.
Alright, you guys would not have seen our plants in a while. The weather is beautiful. The plants are doing really good. Tanya is downstairs in the yard, and that thing is growing like anything. Let me show you. We are waiting all our tomatoes to get ripened here. Look at all the tomatoes. एक second. And look at this one, the tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes are ripening all over the place. These are habanero peppers, mint, and green onion. Llama was complaining about you. He's saying that Marvel hit me in the head and all the cotton came out. See? All the cotton came out of Llama. Is Llama giving you kisses? Is Llama giving you kisses? Kisses, 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 kisses. The mommy and daddy are gonna clean the house. So you sit on one place and don't shed anymore, okay? Can you do that?
Mommy's gonna comb you.
Mommy's gonna comb you before we clean the house. Go to mommy, go. Go to mommy, she's gonna comb you. Right, it's been a day. It's almost evening now. I'm seeing you after a very, very long time. We actually ran some errands, got some water and stuff. And then for Tanya, got some kimbap.
Vegetable kimbap.
From Hmart. And so we're gonna enjoy that. We haven't had lunch.
We just had like Starbucks.
Yeah, we just had Starbucks coffee. She's feeling a little okay, but a lot tired. So that's
okay, but a lot tired.
Yes, but that's like her new pillow.
Yes, I'm gonna
maternity pillow. Proper
like
video, like
video
explaining
this,
how
yeah.
you can.
It's
So,
very comfortable.
So yep, so we are gonna sit and eat and watch, and let me show you what I got. And we got cookie assortment. It has chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, and the double nuts. So super duper cool. And he took my place as always. Excuse me, sir.
It's Daddy's place.
That is where Daddy is supposed to sit. Why are you taking Daddy's place? He's clingy to mommy these days. You wanna sit with mommy? Is that why? You're trying to sit with mommy? It's okay. You're trying to sit with mommy and your baby sibling? Hmm? It's okay, you can sit there. Alright guys, anyways, I just wanted you guys to know. Oh, and by the way, we finally got the liquid IV for Tanya.
Oh yeah.
At Costco. It was super cheap than Target, of course. So we got that in tangerine flavor. And if you don't know what a liquid IV is, it's basically when your water intake is less, you can add it to 8 ounces of water and drink it. It has like,
makes it 5 times more.
yeah, it like make it 3 to 5 times the water intake, so your body can. Let me show you real quick. So this is the liquid IV hydration multiplier. So basically you take 8 ounces and then it becomes like 3 bottles worth of water. And this one does have like vitamin C, immunity, and zinc. So this is a good brand, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, everything free. So so this one is really good. And it has 24 sticks inside, so you can see it has like 24 on-the-go packets that you can even carry around in your purse if you're traveling. So that's one thing I wanted, and we finally got it. Yes. And I stocked water, and we also got some kimchi. So any kimchi lovers out there, let us know. She loves kimchi.
Let me show you my. Yeah, so oh, my stomach is growling. So this one basically has, you can see, spinach, carrot, egg, and rice, and one more thing, wait, forgot, let me read it. Seaweed, egg, spinach, carrot, pickled radish, vinegar, sugar, rice, sesame oil, and salt. And it's so freaking good. Let me try it. This is why I love living close to Hmart. Like whenever you want all this stuff, you can just go and get it. So good.
Okay, so we are prepping for dinner, and we have already had Marvel go play around in the yard, water the plants. Tanya is making the coconut chutney and eating some soaked almonds. Here she is, and doing some lentils over here, chane ki dal, and
Chutney.
For the coconut chutney, and we are making dosa. So potatoes are in there, and for the first time ever, we normally either make the dosa mix or bring it homemade, but for the first time we are trying instant dosa mix. Have never tried this before, so let's see how this one turns out. It says it has 12 servings per container, so typically it will make 12 dosas, which are too much for us, but we'll see. We'll make the batter and we'll eat whatever we can today, and then I'll have it tomorrow. Yeah. And Tanya just made her liquid IV, so it's in 16 ounces of water, it says, and this is it, and it's tangerine flavor. It's really, really good. Alright, so inside this, these are the packets that you get, the small ones. You can even have them in your purse and stuff if you're traveling. If you're out for the day, you can just make it in a water bottle. And
I think it's like, if you're making 16 ounces of water, then it triples the time. 16 ounces.
not the time.
Not the time, the water.
The water. Yeah, that's what it is. Back to making. Alright, coconut chutney is ready. The tempering is done. Ooh, look at that. Potatoes are boiled. They are gonna be in their reels. The tawa is on. And the batter is ready. It looks good. The consistency is nice. It was obviously pretty straightforward. Mix it with water and ready. Alright guys, look at the dosas. There's one more dosa she's making here. The last one, look at that. Anyways, so we are gonna go enjoy the delicious dosas. Hopefully she will keep it down.
Yeah.
And it's a simple food, so we are really hoping she will keep it down. So we are gonna go enjoy our dosas, and we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay safe. Bye.